Alright, good morning. Now I came up, well I didn't come up with an idea. I just had a thought. You know, you see in the movies when they do those little shootouts in a gas station, grocery store, and they're shooting, you know, like the water jugs, the 2 liters of Coke and stuff, or on the shelf next to the person getting shot and things like that. And you know, and they just keep going. And I'm just curious if there's any real force behind it that would actually do physical damage. So, with that in mind, we have Mr. Coconut, the cantaloupe, got a duct tape to the water jug. All free will, of course. Mr. Coconut's doing it, you know, voluntarily. So he said we could duct tape him. So we got him duct taped to the water jug, and we're going to see, after shooting the water jug, if anything happens to Mr. Coconut or not. Colt and the judge, home defense range, shooting. And that's critical defense, again opening up, proving that I guess they can do what they're supposed to do. And let's look at Mr. Coconut. Mr. Coconut was right here, and there's a soft spot. I don't know if that and another, I have no idea if that was caused by it or not, so we have no idea. Mr. Coconut kind of failed and passed at the same time. I don't remember that being a soft spot on there because I wouldn't have bought a coconut like that. I mean a cantaloupe. Interesting. So will you just get wet, or will you have a concussion? I don't know, screw it. Useless information. Thanks for watching.